This is one of our larger domes. This is the first time we've brought a dome of this size to a show like this. This dome is the state-of-the-art in technology, utilizes the latest in vacuum infusion process in the fiberglass production, and incorporates remote operation out of the box. The 18-foot dome is the second largest of the domes that we make, but it is the dome that represents the latest in design and technology in its implementation. It is a 5-shutter dome, and that allows a larger area above the base, better viewing area. It actually is as tall as the 20-foot dome, but it has a smaller footprint. But it also features vacuum infusion process in its design. What it entails is a process in which is totally green, emits no emissions. It creates the leanest and strongest possible fiberglass that you can make. These domes, all of our domes are basically self-installable. For the larger domes, customers often request that we send somebody to supervise the installation. This dome, for example, was installed on site here in about 3 hours. 2 of our staff, in combination with a couple of other workers from on site, were able to do that in that period of time. The thing that distinguishes this dome from conventional rotating domes is that the dome is quiescent. It opens up, the shutters open up all the way perhaps, or partially, as opposed to rotating continuously using electricity, creating maintenance. If the dome is oriented east and west, the dome can be opened up partially to watch an astronomical body track through it without changing configuration all night long. With respect to the shutters themselves, they can be operated either side independently or opened up all the way to enjoy the entire night sky. We're currently working on programs in which the shutters operate independently and the dome even rotates to allow the customer to orient the dome for any purpose, tailoring of the wind flow or protection of moonlight or sunlight, parasol protection, for example. So the domes really are the latest in thinking in terms of enclosures for optical and RF equipment. Our domes appeal to astronomers and defense organizations across the spectrum. They're utilized for astronomy at the amateur level. Our smaller domes, a 7-foot dome, is used for robotic operations, for planetary research, satellite observation. The Defense Department uses them for a variety of optical instruments for tracking products that they are testing. These domes are installed worldwide. We usually in the harshest environments, on mountaintops where the snow is severe and the winds are severe. You can see by looking at it that this dome is probably the most aerodynamic product that's on the market today. The domes are a state-of-the-art fiberglass production and incorporate aerospace level rigor in their design and engineering.